Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with another Boxycharm unboxing, and this is for the month of August. And if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, I have many videos doing unboxings for this. It is a monthly subscription box, $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products each month with a variation of different products. And this is the month of August. I usually open the box automatically on camera, but I couldn't hold it, so I just opened it already. And you know what, I'm disappointed. I'm very disappointed. I don't love it, but if you guys know me, or if you've seen my recent videos or any other unboxing videos, you know that I am a diehard Boxycharm lover. I love Boxycharm. I feel like it is great. I support their business 100%, but this box, man. So when you get the box, you open it and there is this insert card in the middle. So this card is going to tell you the theme of the box, which is life of the party. And here is listed all of the items along with their pricing and a little bit description of how you use it. And there's always some coupons on the box. So there is a coupon for Laura Lee Cosmetics and for Smashbox. This is what it looks like after that, and we're just going to jump right into it. So the first thing I see here is Becca Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector. It retails for $15 to $18. I don't believe this is full size because it is not that big. I'm pretty sure it isn't, but let me just kind of feel. If you see, it looks like this, and we're just gonna dabble it to see what it feels like. This feels very thick. I have to mess with it because it just feels a little strange right now. But yes, I am excited for this product. I don't think that this is a bad product. I have Becca primers that I've used before, and I enjoy them. I'm glad that there's something in the box that I enjoy so far. So the next thing in the box is this Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal Palette. And I'm not gonna lie, the packaging is cute. It feels great. These colors though, they just throw me off a little bit. I don't know how realistic this palette is, how many times I can use this. I would say these two, okay, they can be used, you know, probably transition shades or something. And definitely for like a sunset look, I can see the orange and like yellow greenish shade working. But I don't know, I don't love it. I think it's cute. It has a cute mirror, cute velvet tip feel kind of thing, but I don't know. I just wasn't that excited about this palette, and I feel like Laura Lee has very many other products that are better in her brand, and I just feel like this maybe wasn't the smartest, best product that she could have put out to kind of brand her name. That's a bust for me, 100%. But moving on, next thing is this lipstick, and this is from Smashbox. This is a foiled Brat Be Legendary Liquid Metal Lipstick, and I'm very disappointed in this product too, just because I just feel like there's absolutely like probably never gonna wear this ever. It feels very tacky, very sticky. This is the color. I like purple lipsticks, but the fact that it's like, I don't know, I wouldn't wear this. Maybe for the holidays, maybe, but I don't know. This is another bust for me. I wouldn't even know who to gift that to. That's just like how unrealistic it is for me. Next thing is this NCLA Los Angeles Cuticle Oil Treatment, and this is in the So Rich Lollipop scent, I guess. I mean, I'm not mad at this product. I would definitely use a cuticle oil. I feel like every girl should. This retails for $18, and yeah, I'm not mad at this. I would definitely use this cuticle oil. Next is this This is a Bang Beauty gel eyeliner that retails for $22. You can use that as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. The thing that throws me off is that it is in a chocolate shade. I'm not huge on brown eyeliners. It does feel a little chalky, very thick. I'm thinking for eyebrows, this could work. It is this brown color here. It could work. I feel like it's definitely buildable. So you know what? I kind of do want to try this out on my brows just to see how that works out for me. But as an eyeliner, I probably won't ever use this. We're going to move on to the last product, which are these 3 Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. This pack of 3 retails for $13, and they're eye masks supposed to help cool and soothe your under eye area. I am never mad at receiving under eye masks. I love all kind of masks, so I kind of want to use this today. Hey, I'm not mad at that. That is it for the box. The box is empty, and you know what? I am very disappointed in this one's box. I don't want to like get into it because so many people have already bashed Boxycharms, and there's a lot of Boxycharm. There are a lot of negative comments that I have read, so I don't want to feed into that. But it's just not my favorite. But you know what? Boxycharm has kept me so happy until now. So you know what? I can't complain. I just feel like this box isn't realistic. I don't know. It doesn't scream party to me at all. Nothing. It's like, this should have been like a Halloween box or something, because then it would make more sense. But for a party, I would be like classy, like fun. And I don't know. Cuticle oil, brown eyeliner, gel mask. They just don't scream life of the party to me. But you know what, like I said, Boxycharm has kept me so happy until now, so it's okay that I didn't love this box because I usually love every other box. But yeah, that completes this Boxycharm unboxing. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of this month's box. Are you guys kind of disappointed too, or did you love it? Let me know. Try to keep it like as little negativity as possible, but honest feedback isn't bad. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.